Moses. Mo.
And now, it's Kenza's turn.
Shh.
Wow, that was really good. No, nothing at all. Absolutely quiet.
It's amazing.
But what have the microphones picked up? The decibel waveforms show the sound being generated by the birds in flight. Each spike is an individual wing beat. But with the barn owl, there's almost nothing.
Yeah.
Even our array of super-sensitive microphones failed to pick up any sound of Kenza in flight.
And here's the owl doing exactly the same.